coat the Outdoor Plus. And for today's video, we have our beautiful setup that I'll walk you through a couple of products that we are showcasing. This is a custom fire pit. We fully made this for a show that we will be attending. So if you're around in Vegas, make sure you check that out. And we will also be posting more videos and more content for you to check it out. This fire pit is really nice because it has a fully custom design on the sides. It has the cutouts and it has a color on the back so it pops out more. I like that it comes with this accent. This gold accent makes it just pop more and it gives it a very exquisite taste. As well, I like it that the powder coat and this color and this just makes it just be the highlight, the center of attention. And the bullet burner, of course, you couldn't miss the bullet burner. This is amazing because it gives you more flame while using less gas, and it can go up to a very high flame. Next to it, we have La Sierra Fire Pit. This is an amazing fire pit, and I'll tell you why. This one comes with a wood finish, and it's very easy to move around. I love that the powder coat color, it has a nice texture, but it's not too much. It just makes it very seamless. And the touch of the stones on top, the lava rock looks amazing. And of course, right here, we have our fireplace. This one comes with a firebox insert. And you may be wondering what's special about this one. Well, let me tell you what. This one is a GFRC wood grain. What does that mean? That this one has a wood grain texture. You can see, but it's not actually wood, and this lasts longer over time. It's a great material because it's glass fiber reinforced concrete, and this one, it's perfectly made and measured for customers' design. This firebox, we can make it any bigger. If you want just the insert, we can also do that for you, but if you would like this in a longer and taller size, or even smaller, we can do that for you. Over here, we have our RTF. All of our firebox and fireplaces come with doors for your gas tanks. This one has the air vents on the side, and this one comes with a range here. This one, it allows you to put your fireplace in an area, in any outdoor area where you have water in front and you still want to admire the background and the fire. You can add any tile to your RTFs and you can fully customize it. Like I said, this one's a lot thinner, but if you want just the firebox, we can do the firebox fully covered. And if you want to edit or change your air vents, we can also do that for you. So over here, we have our Paradise Falls. The Paradise Falls are our best seller. This unit is fully customizable from top to bottom. The customer for this one, he ordered a custom scupper and he wanted it to be in an infinity zigzag and he wanted to have LED lights surrounding it. For this one, it's a powder coat white and we can fully customize it. If you want to add any other color, we have a wide selection for colors for powder coat. As well, you can add a fire on top if you want to customize it. You can add your own logo, LED lights, outdoor sound system, you name it. For this unit, we can make it longer, taller, shorter. So this one is fully customizable. As long as you give us the dimensions, we can do anything for you. Since everything is manufactured in home, we don't have any restrictions with what we work with. All of these products are CSA and LC certified, which is perfect for any commercial or residential areas. So this one is one of our most sold units. If you're interested in one of these projects, we can fully do that for you. And moving over here, we have our firebox. This is made out of stainless steel. We can fully powder coat it. This is metal powder coat. This one comes with a firebox, and the difference between this one and the other one is that the other one is made out of GFRC, and this box is wider and longer. But like I said, we can fully customize it. If you're interested just in the insert of the box, we can do that for you, and you just give us the dimensions and we can work with you. As well, this one can be fully customized if you want to add your own logo. And as you can see, the air vents, they're fully customized. The customer wanted to be diamond shaped, but if you want any other design besides our standard design, we can do anything for you. If you want this to be any longer, taller, or even smaller, we can also do that for you. This is a fire glow, which is pushed and then you move to get your gas in for it to get the flame higher. So you can fully control this. And over here, last but not least, we have our mini Paradise Ball. What I love about this one is that it's very compact and you can add it in any space, any outdoor area or even indoor area, since this has its own tank, it has a 24/7 water pump and its own filter, and you can fully customize this one. As you can see, this one has a straight scupper. In comparison, the other one, it was a zigzag, but we can make any other design. If you want to add your logos, fire on top, we can fully do that for you. So as you can see, the Outdoor Plus is the company that you go to whenever you want to work with custom projects. We can make everything. It's all American made, and we love to work with you, help you with any details. If you have any questions, make sure you give us a call or just send us an email. See you next time.